this is Liz Hebing from the Iowa City Area Development Group. The sun is shining, the flowers are blooming, and if you listen closely, you can hear the chirps of some of the flyest creatures around, birds. While humans are social distancing, nature is not. One great activity you can do while keeping a safe distance from others is birdwatching. New to birdwatching? No problem. On our website, icareatogether.com, we have a list of tips and tricks as well as birds to look out for when you're on your birdwatching journey. Some of the most common birds you'll see in the Iowa City area are cardinals, robins, sparrows, and woodpeckers. Make sure you look out for our state's bird, the goldfinch. Also, if you're lucky and you're by a river, you may even spot a bald eagle. Or, if you're stuck at home, check out the Decorah Eagle Cam. Now, dust off your binoculars or stop by one of our local outdoor retailers and get to watching.